Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can order from Shein with credit card. So first step you need to do is to open the Shein website and you need to log in into your Shein account. So once you log in, so you need to add items into your cart, and I already added one or two items into my cart. So here you can see, once you add it, you simply need to click on checkout now and you need to log in into your account. Without login you are unable to purchase. So here you can see that you need to add your mobile or email number, then you need to click on continue, and after that your sign is complete. So once your sign in is complete, so here you can see you can pay with Visa, Mastercard. So it is up to you which company credit card you want to use, and you can easily purchase your items from Shein. So this is the process that you need to follow to order from Shein with credit card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.